Hey, how's it going, Mary? It's Devin. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you guys three things I found on y'all's website that can really help you guys improve the amount of customers coming in. I know you're wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super easy. I found out a little while ago there's just a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more of those customers. And the only thing really stopping them from hiring somebody to help them out is they just don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that whenever I make these attack plans and I just give them away, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back going, hey, you know what? I like you, Devin. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to educate you, help you, and hopefully make you some more money down the road for free. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to mention right off the bat that as soon as I got to your website, I was wowed by it. It's a beautiful looking website. Having these coupons right at the get-go is a great way to close somebody when they get to your site. You have a call to action right here, right away. Another call to action right here. Trust reviews. Like, from a design point of view, this is a gorgeous website. What we need is to get people to see this, and we need to rank you. And unfortunately, Google doesn't really care about the design for ranking. What they care mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read. This, in their eyes, makes people stay on your page longer, which makes you a more valuable article. And so they want to see at least 2,000 words on your homepage. If I look at what you're sitting at, you currently have 756. Now, your main competitor for the keyword HVAC Dallas TX is Metro AC. And if we go and look at how much content these guys have, they are currently sitting at 1,331. So one of the reasons they are outranking you is because they have such a large amount of content. But the good news is they still are not considered an authority in Google's eyes because they haven't reached that 2,000 word mark. So make sure you write yourself 2,000 words on this homepage. That'll help you outrank them. Also, one more quick thing. A keyword is just a phrase somebody types into Google to find your business. This is a really common one. This one's typed in about 1,500 times every single month. So to get ranked for this, you want to have this on your page. And if I look, it's not anywhere on your homepage. So when you're writing those extra words, make sure you throw this in there a couple times and maybe put it as like a heading or something. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other relevant websites linking to you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant sites, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other air conditioning companies linking to you than if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but you can find all this stuff for free. Just type in, backlink finder or anything you want to find, keyword planner. You can find all the stuff I'm showing you for free on Google. So it says you currently have 43 websites linking to you. If you go to your main competitor, Metro, these guys only have 71 websites linking to them. That's a really, really close margin. It's only about 28 websites. I wouldn't say to just match them, though. I'd say blow them out of the water and copy all 71 of their links and add them onto your 43. If they're good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So what I would do is visit each one of these websites and just like they did, build that link back to you. More often than not, you just have to create a profile and then, type in a link to your homepage in the profile. Sometimes you may have to click contact us and ask and send them an email and ask. And very rarely, sometimes there's like a button that says, hey, for this small fee, you can get a link. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by following just those two tips, that's how you become number one organically. If you want to become number one in the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. But the best place to show up where the most traffic goes is the Google My Business section. It's actually free to rank here. It just takes time. What you need is to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories. Exact match, so make sure it's spelled the exact way every single time. A directory is just a website like Yelp or Yellow Pages, anywhere where you can like list your business's information. So I would figure out what directories Levy and Son is listed in. I'd put myself in those exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Mary. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want about 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. Just a phrase, a couple phrases that people would commonly type into Google to find your business. You're going to also want to make sure that you have more referring domains than these guys. I would just take all 71 and apply them on top of your 43 for a total of 114. And then the last thing is I would put my name, address, and phone number in more directories than Levy and Son. And Mary, by following these three tips, that's how you become number one across Google. So what I recommend you do now is just It's going to take some time to implement all this stuff, so I recommend getting started earlier than later, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of this. If you want any help getting this stuff done, if you want to just continue running your business and you want someone else to handle this for you, just give me a call. My phone number is right here at the bottom right, and I'll see what I can do for you. If I can help you, great. And if I cannot, I'll at least point you in the right direction to make sure you go where you want to go. But I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. I do look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.